Good morning, class. Today we are going to learn about cataloging and our objectives. At the end of the unit, one should be able to define the given terms and explain the purposes and functions of cataloging. We are going to start with the definition of terms. We are going to define catalog. Catalog is a list of books, maps, coins, and any other medium that constitutes a collection. It is an organized set of bibliographic records that represents the holdings of a particular collection. A collection may consist of similar types of materials, e.g. books, periodicals, maps, CD-ROMs, diskettes, coins, sound recordings, paintings, video, and audio tapes. Cataloging. Cataloging is the process of identification and description of bibliographic record, the recording of this information in form of a catalog record, and the selection and formation of accessible points. The process of describing documents held in a library collection and providing entry points to them. The end product of this process is a library catalog used in identification and location of documents in an information center. The process is done according to a set of rules of a certain cataloging code. Yes, we are going to define catalog cards. It is a plain or ruled card in which catalog entries may be made. Library catalog is a list of items contained in a library collection or a group of libraries arranged according to a systematic order. Publisher's catalog. It is a list of items published by a given publisher. Descriptive cataloging. It is a part of this cataloging process concerned with the identification of an item and with recording the information about the item in a bibliographic record, e.g. a library catalog, so that the item may be identified precisely. Its purpose is to consistently record and describe each item in the library such that it is distinguishable from all others. Bibliographic description. The description of an item containing details like title and statement of responsibility areas, edition area, etc. Subject cataloging. It's a process of determining the subject contents of a work so as to assign the appropriate subject headings. Analytical cataloging. It is a process of cataloging which involves preparing entry points of part of an item, e.g. an article in an encyclopedia. Collocation. It is a process of bringing together entries of items that are related. Call number. It is a symbol that provides an identification of an item and its location in a library collection. A classified catalog. It is a subject catalog consisting of a classed entries arranged logically according to the notation derived from a classification scheme used for the shelf arrangement of items in the library. Cross-reference. It is a direction from one entry point or heading to another, e.g. C and C also. Yes, we are going to see the purposes and functions of cataloging. Catalogs are prepared whenever a collection grows too large to be remembered item for item. They facilitate retrieval of item or parts of an item for actual use. They are also useful inventory records since in especially a large collection, they help us to know what has been acquired, lost, replaced, withdrawn, or shifted to another section. Objectives of a catalog. According to Charles Amikata, in the year 1876, a library needs a catalog so to enable a person find a book of which the author is known, the subject is known, the title is known. Second, to show what the library has by a given author as entered in the library on a given subject in a given kind of literature. Third is to assist in the choice of a book as to its edition, character, literary, or topical. According to Dr. Ranganathan in the year 1964, it gives the objectives of library catalog as to disclose to every reader his or her book, to secure for every document its reader, to save the time of the reader, and to save the time of the staff. Functions of a catalog. How it works. First, it records each work in the library by its author, editor, translator, illustrator, commentator, series, or by any other person, body, or name under which a reader might look. Second, it arranges author entries in such a way that all the works of an author will be found together under the same name. This procedure makes it possible for readers to either find a specific work or to survey the literary output of an author as represented in the library. That is to record each work in the library and even parts of a work under the same subject which are to be removed. E.g., a library like University of Nairobi, which has several branches in different countries, an analytical catalog may be appropriate. Fourth is to arrange subject entries so that like topics will fall together and related topics will be systematically correlated. E.g., the term ingestion, absorption, assimilation, alimentary canal should be correlated. The term digestion by the term see references. Fifth, to record titles as they appear on the chief source of information, which is usually on the title page. Sixth is to employ cross-references by which a reader may be guided from one entry in a catalog to another. To provide a full description of which work by giving its headings, a point of entry, physical description, series notes, the standard number, and full traces of which work so that the work can't be mistaken for any other. 8 is to record the call numbers of works by which book may be located or obtained on the shelves. That is locative function. And that brings us to the end of our topic. Thank you.